and it's kind of weird. Hey everybody, it's Chastity Elise and I am back today for an unboxing video. So let's just go ahead and get started. Let's see. I really want to open this box because there is actually something that I've been waiting on. And I'm hoping that it's in here. So I can't tell based on the address, but we're gonna open this one. See what's in it. Just to show you all what it is, or at least who it's from anyway. Givenchy. Alright, so it came in this little pouch. It's really cute. So it's very, like a very neat design. It's very plain and simple. It's just got the name on the front and it's just a white package. So nothing ridiculous. And then I guess this is like a sticker. It's got Givenchy on it as well. I don't know if y'all see that. Yeah, y'all got it. Okay. I'm gonna say when tear up packaging. Okay. So yeah, so this is the shirt that I've been waiting on. I ordered it not that long ago, but I've just been waiting for it to come in. And that is it right there. So personally, I really like this shirt. I didn't want to get, just like with everything else, I didn't really want to get something that was just very out there and out of the way and just like kind of, hey, look at me, that kind of thing. Like honestly, how many people are actually going to look at this shirt and say, oh, that's Givenchy? I mean, it's got 4 G's on it, but I mean, other than me telling you, how many people would actually know and like stop you in the street? I mean, some people might stop you and say, oh, that's a nice looking shirt, but you know, who's actually going to stop and say, oh, that's a Givenchy shirt? I don't really know very many people, so I don't. But anyway, I didn't want anything that was like too flamboyant and like too out there. There's nothing on the back, just the 4 G's on the front. And so I'm really excited to try this on and make sure it fits. I'm sure it will because it seems like it's big enough. I ordered this in a size, let's see what size this is. It's got a whole little booklet here, but I ordered this in a size small. And then this is the tag on the shirt. It's got the name, and then inside, let's see what's inside here, because it's got something inside of it. Okay, so it's like another little thing in here. It's almost like a little pamphlet, really. Let's see. Maybe this tells you how to wash it or something. Okay, so basically it's just thanking you. We would like to thank you for having purchased a Givenchy design, and then it goes on about the product, how it was created, the fabric, and let's see. And then just different items, like if you order leather items or denim items, just kind of how to treat those and take care of them. So I mean, it's, you know, your basic tag, which would tell you, you know, generally the brand, how it was created, the fabric that was used, different things, how to take care of the fabric. So it's just very basic information that you would expect on any item that you purchase. But it's just packaged very differently. It's packaged very neatly, so it's presented well. So I like that. Anyway, that is the shirt right here. And I'm actually excited to try this on, and I'll probably take pictures with this. Like, I'm not gonna do too much with the top. Like, I feel like the top has enough going on already, but you know, I'll take a picture with this top on, and I think I'll probably post it to my Instagram account and you all can see it on there. But maybe I will put like a picture at the end of this video as well. So just kind of styling this shirt not really gonna do too much, because I mean the shirt, I feel like, you know, if you have a piece that has a lot going on already, like this already kind of has a lot going on just looking at the design, so I probably wouldn't do too much with it. I mean, you can wear, I would say you could wear, if you want to wear red shoes, I feel like that kind of be over the top, but if you want to wear red shoes, you could. If you want to wear white shoes would be perfectly fine. If you wanted to wear, it looks like it's got like a navy blue in here, so if you wanted to wear like some navy blue and white shoes, I mean, there's so many different combinations that you could wear with this top, but I think honestly I'm probably just gonna go with something plain, because I mean it's already got a lot of color too, so I probably just go with something that's kind of void of color. So I probably just wear this with like white sneakers or something like that. But anyway, this is my shirt. I'm excited to wear it, and that is it. And I know chances are I probably won't wear it too much right now just because it's cold outside. I'm not really going to be wearing a short sleeve outside, but at the same time I'm not going to be outside too much. I'm going to be around the house, but really, who wants to wear this around the house for no reason? It's kind of weird. So anyway, I'm gonna try it on. I will style this and I'm gonna put it on my Instagram account. And that's it for this video. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see you all later.